In India, people are using herbal medicines from thousands of years, and if you have a herbal medicine clinic, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your herbal medicine clinic business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding medicine info, appointments, pricing, availability and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your herbal medicine clinic business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here, I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response in which they welcome me, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: browse remedy, check timing and fee, and book consultation. I'm going to click on browse remedies. As soon as I have selected browse remedy, I got a message in which they mention all the remedies for different concern. And with that, they have provided me 2 action button, talk to support and menu. I'm going to select menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, they have provided me with initial message again. This time I'm going to select check timing and fee. As soon as I have selected check timing and fee, I got a response in which they have mentioned doctor's timing and their fee for consultation. Not only that, they have also mentioned 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I will again select menu option over here, and here I got initial message one more time. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting, and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. and after that you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for herbal medicine clinic business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your herbal medicine clinic business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all three features, today I'm going to use Regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. As soon as my customer enter a message, I will send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and over here I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button and select the text button. Over here, I'm going to enter my message in which I have mentioned that welcome to Ayobot, your herbal wellness assistant, your experience natural healing. Through certified herbal medicine, we offer safe plant-based remedy, personalized consultants, and root cause treatment, all accessible on WhatsApp. How can we assist you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, browse remedies, check fee and timing, and book consultation. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with browse remedies. To know about remedies, I'm going to drag and drop text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned all the remedies with their usage. Not only that, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again, and I'm going to provide a separate message for talk to support like this, where I have mentioned that our team will contact them as soon as possible. Our available hours are from Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and we typically respond within 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's move to our second action button, which is check fee and timing. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I have mentioned consultation fee and timing. With that, I have also provided two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. Let's move to our third action button, which is book consultation. To book consultation for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question and connect with my action button. Over here, I'm going to enter my message where I have mentioned that please share the following to schedule your visit. Number 1, full name. I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. After knowing about name, I want to know about preferred time slot. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please share preferred time slot, and with that, I have selected my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. After knowing about time slot, I want to know how they want to consult our doctor. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please share in person or video call. I have selected my contact custom field as consultation and my format as any. Last thing, I want to know about any symptoms. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message where I have mentioned that please share primary concern or symptoms. I'm going to select my contact custom field as concern, and I'm going to select my format as any. After knowing each and every detail, I will send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned that you will receive a confirmation message along with payment link and clinic location if applicable. With that, I have also mentioned two action button, menu and talk to support. Again, I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for herbal medicine clinic business. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.